Hi, welcome to Telugu One Food. I'm your host Chef Savio Pereira and today we are going to make some quinoa salad with chicken and balsamic dressing. So quinoa is also known as a pseudo grain which is grown basically for its seed. It is very rich in dietary fiber. It has some vitamin B, it has some protein. So the protein content of this seed is much more higher than any other cereals or seeds that we have. So let's start making a salad. For that we have some quinoa here. So quinoa is usually found in South America and it is a gluten-free product. So if you are allergic to gluten or something, you can always prefer having this quinoa. So let's see what are the ingredients we have. So we have some chopped red bell pepper, then we have some chopped onion, some chopped cucumber. I have used English cucumber here, but if you feel like you have a local cucumber, you can use that as well. Only you need to remove the seeds of the cucumber. We have some chopped parsley, we have some salt, we have some white pepper, we have some raw chicken breast that we'll cook, then we have some honey and we have some balsamic vinegar. Balsamic vinegar is an Italian vinegar, so it is usually made from a different variety of grape and then it has been fermented to get that tangy flavor. We'll start by adding a little bit salt to the water. Then we have around half cup of quinoa. We'll add it to the boiling water. We need to boil the quinoa for a minimum of 15 minutes so that it is nice and fluffy. Till our quinoa is getting boiled, we'll just cook the chicken. So we'll be boiling the chicken and stock today. So first we'll season our stock with some salt, some pepper. If you do not have a stock, you can also use water for boiling the chicken. Now we'll immerse the chicken in the stock. This size of chicken, which is approximately 180 grams, it will take at least 15 minutes to get thoroughly cooked. As you can see, there's a hair-like structure coming out of quinoa. This means that your quinoa is nicely boiled. By timer, if you see, you just need 15 minutes in boiling water and your quinoa will get this structure. Now let's strain our quinoa. Now our quinoa is strained and it is nice and fluffy. Now we'll keep this in the chiller and we'll allow it to cool for around 10 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes now and our chicken is also cooked. Now it's time to take it out. So our chicken is cooked. Now we'll keep it in the refrigerator and let it cool down for around 10 to 15 minutes. Once it is cooled down, we will just chop it up into small dices. So our chicken and quinoa is getting cold. Till then, we'll make the dressing for the salad. For the dressing, I have around 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, one tablespoon of honey, little bit of salt, some pepper. Now the ratio for the dressing is very important. So always the ratio has to be 1:3. If you have 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, then you need around 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So now we'll gradually add the olive oil to it little by little. This is done to emulsify both the vinegar and the oil to make a thick dressing. So start in a circular motion. Now as you see, our dressing is nice and thick. To check the thickness, you just take a spoon and you drop it. It has to nicely coat the back of your spoon. Now we'll keep this dressing aside. So our quinoa is nice and cold now. Our chicken is nice and cold. Now we'll start assembling the salad. We'll take the quinoa in a bowl. You can add in your chopped chicken, some chopped cucumber, some chopped red pepper or red capsicum, just a teaspoon of chopped onion, and just a pinch of salt for the vegetables. Now we'll add the dressing to it. So we have added around 4 tablespoons of the balsamic honey dressing, and now we'll mix it. We'll add some chopped parsley, our salad is ready now. It's time to plate. So an important tip, whenever you're plating a salad, make sure how much ever you elevate the salad will come out to look very good. So try to elevate it instead of pressing it down. Now finally we'll garnish it with some more chopped parsley.